And I met Jennifer at the film festival, and she was telling me about the idea, and I got really excited right away because it's a really fresh topic. I like the story and the idea behind it, and now that we've been developing the story more and it starts to shape up, I really want to see it on film. It's really interesting story. Make a donation, and even a small one, $15 is a huge amount of money for us. It helps us a lot. So please help us. It's gonna be a great show.